Welcoming all to my class on nutrition. Myself, Binu Korea, Assistant Professor, Department of Zoology, St. Xavier's College for Women, Alwa. All organisms obtain from their external environment certain materials which are essential to keep them alive. These materials function as energy sources, as regulators of metabolic reactions, and as raw materials for the synthesis of body constituents. The term nutrition refers to the methods or processes involved in providing a steady flow of energy rich materials from the environment to promote growth, to repair, and to provide energy for performing the various life activities. Nutrition provides essential metabolites to promote growth of body. Nutrition provides essential substances needed to repair worn out tissues. Types of nutrition. According to the feeding habits, nutrition is of two types: autotrophy and heterotrophy. Autotrophs synthesize their organic food from inorganic constituents. Mainly, autotrophs are of two types: phototrophs, which use solar energy, example green plants, and chemotrophs use chemical energy, example sulfur bacteria. Heterotrophs are organisms which procures its organic food from other organisms, example animals. They depend on plants directly or indirectly for essential organic compounds. They derive their energy by oxidizing pre existing organic compounds. Heterotrophy may be divided into holozoic nutrition, which involves engulfing of the whole or part of a plant or animal. In holozoic nutrition, complex food materials are taken into the body and digested inside. Saprozoic nutrition depends on dead and decaying organic matter, which includes some fungi, bacteria, few protozoans. Parasitic nutrition. These parasites feed on tissues or food of the host. Example, certain virus, animals like Plasmodium, etc. Symbiotic nutrition, in which two organisms or animals live in association and derive food from each other. Example, E. coli, which lives in the intestine of man, produces vitamin B12. Based on the nitrogen sources or requirements, there is another classification of nutrition as autotroph, mesotroph, and metatroph. Organisms are autotrophs when they can use organic nitrogen, nitrate, or ammonia. Mesotroph and metatroph belong to heterotrophic organisms. They require amino acids as their source of energy. Mesotroph require only a single amino acid, whereas metatroph requires many amino acids, either in the form of compounds or mixtures. Metatrophs can be further subdivided into herbivores, carnivores, omnivores based on their food habits and nutritional requirements. In holozoic nutrition, food materials are taken in the form of solids and liquids through the mouth into the alimentary canal or comparable organelles, where they are digested and absorbed. Hence, holozoic nutrition involves stages like ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation, and egestion. To conclude, nutrition is the overall process by which organisms synthesize and utilize food for growth, repair, and maintenance of biological activities. Nutrition is classified into different types. Thank you.